Last Sunday ito guys. We are having fun here. We're having fun in Kuala Lumpur in Pasir Ris, Singapore. Water park. There's a lot of rides that you can enjoy. Like vortex slide that very long and very high. Ay, nakakatakot. Ang na-ride ko lang guys is vortex. Yung yellow naman na napaka-high. Talagang nakakatakot yun kasi parang bigla ang bagsak tapos napakataas. Oh my God! I cannot imagine myself sliding on it. So I just like the red orange because the power. But the yellow one don't have power, so I'm scared. And the torpedo also we never tried. We only tried by groups. The Olala ride